So welcome to Techies in this channel. So today I'm going to show you that what init method does in the Python. Have you ever wondered that what this weird syntax about the init method actually do in the Python? So init method is a technically initializer, not the constructor. It initializes when you create an object and you create an instance. In the next few minutes, I will show you that what init method does in the Python classes, how we use it, and how your classes looks cleaner after using the init method. Let's go. So first I will show you the simple class with the object initialization with the attribute access, and we are going to set the few attributes parameters and we will try to access that part and we'll show that. Okay, so I have created the car class over here. You can see that here is the car object initialization. Then I'm setting the few attributes, brand, color, and the year. And just here I'm just printing out the things. Okay, so let's try that. Yes. Now you can see that automatically the brand, color, and year has been printed over the terminal. Now I will show you the example of the init one. So I have already written the code, so I will just add that one. Okay. So I already have the code. I'm just adding it over here. Okay. So now you can see that this is our code. I'm just keeping everything as it is, just removing this part, and let's try to initialize one. I'm It will throw us the errors. That's it. Because we are missing the three positional arguments brand, color, and year. Because we have already mentioned those in the init method. So what does that mean? Whenever we are initializing the object, Python initiate the init method and it requires the parameter you are passing. So definitely we need to pass that parameters. Now we will just pass that parameters. Yeah, simply rerun the file. That's it. Kia blue and 2025. Now we will just simply initialize run the method as well, calling the method. That's it. Now you can see that we can access those variable as well by using the self. So what do you understand from this? So init method is the initializer in the class. It is not a constructor. It behave like a constructor, but it is not a constructor. It is the initializer of the class. It will automatically invoke by the Python whenever you create the object from the class. Now you can see that your class is much more cleaner and you can set the attributes right from the init method and you can access those within the class. That's it. Thank you.